Hey, what's up, y'all? So today I just want to show you guys this quick custom Raspberry Pi case I made with my old PlayStation 2 fat model. This thing stopped working completely. The laser was shot. Tried to replace the laser. Ended up ripping the ribbon cable. So I was just like, screw this, man. I'm just gonna make myself like a little case for my Raspberry Pi. As you can see inside, the Raspberry Pi is sitting there already, and it has like one of those crappy cases that come with it. But I think this looks much better, and it's super easy to make. As you can see, I still got that reset button here. I got power reset button. I got that eject button. These don't really do anything. I haven't hooked it up to anything yet, but I made this like corny custom grill here. And if we go all the way around, as you can see, it's filled up all the way around, but here I've left it open, and just for ease of access I could put my HDMI and my power cable. I'm going to be using a PlayStation 3 controller, and basically the way I achieved this, I just dremeled the crap out of this case until I got this, and then I took the bottom down here, as you can see, and I dremeled that part too, put it in the bottom so it holds it nice and snug. And what I actually did is, to tape it, I basically just used 3M double-sided tape, nothing else, no screws, nothing. And I've put this little light here, which basically comes from those like tooth whitening kits, but it just gives it that cool effect. As you can see, if you go down here, it gives it that cool LED effect. And if I turn off the lights, it just looks super lit. Now what we're gonna do is just plug it in quickly, show you guys that everything will work in. So yeah, if you guys want to make a cheap custom Raspberry Pi case, you could do something like this very easily. All you need is a Dremel, an LED light, and some double-sided tape. And as you can see, we got Retro Pi going up there. I've got a Super Nintendo on this, Sega Genesis, PlayStation, Turbo Graphics, and good old NES. This might take a second to load, so I don't even think you guys really want to see that crap. But yeah, as you can see, everything's working. The case looks super litty. And yeah, just something for you guys, to give you guys an idea, something that you guys would be able to make yourself. It's not a lot of work. All you need is a Dremel, double-sided tape, and an imagination. Enjoy.